This is the single reason why new investors miss out on deals when buying and holding real estate. This is because they worry about all the other details that really don't matter when you first start out. In this video, you're gonna learn the best way on how to structure your rental property with little money. The purpose of this video is to really just start off with little money as much as possible, especially for your first few deals. Now, quick disclaimer alert. The information provided on this video is not and does not intend to constitute legal advice. Instead, all information and content and materials available in this video are generally for information purposes only. So, I am not a lawyer and don't hold me accountable to all this stuff that I'm about to tell you. So, are you excited to start off your real estate investing business? Let's go! As you may know, you still have a lot to learn. Now, there's a lot of information out there, especially when it pertains to real estate investing. You will hear from other investors that, they create umbrella companies in other states like Wyoming and Nevada because of low taxes, and you can create anomalies there where you have to go to your attorney and get all this stuff done. Now, once you actually done all that work, you'll still need to file another LLC in the state that you plan on investing in. You would also need to get registered by a registered agent or an attorney and send all the documents there on a yearly basis. Depending on your state, you would need to also ask for them to take care of your franchise tax information. Also, you will need to create EINs for each property that you create. Then you will need to schedule another meeting with an attorney because you'll need to file a foreign LLC company in your state, so that way at least you can use your bank. Now, as you can see, this can be quite tedious, especially when you're starting out. Now, here's the kicker. You haven't even received a penny yet from your rental income. Once you have the property ready for rent, some investors may actually say that, you may need to have a property management company, which can typically charge anywhere between 8 and 12% per month of your rent. Now, you have to be careful on who you actually hire as your company and that they are organized and they take care of your property as best as they possibly can, just as like it was their property. They will charge you for a vacancy and a flat fee. Because the property managers operate under an agreement of at least 1 year minimum, which could lead to them not really trying to put someone in the property because they still get their money anyway. But rest assured, I'm here to keep cash in your pocket. I would say starting out with less than 5 properties, it'll be a lot better to start off with something small. Now, we're gonna cover mortgages. Now, you're gonna save a lot more time and effort by not obviously going through that whole LLC route when getting a mortgage, because obviously you have to get an LLC first, and then you have to get your mortgage to assign the mortgage under the LLC, so you're not held as a personal guarantor. All right, now with this, it will be a lot more efficient that way that you actually add it into your own personal name, especially when you're dealing with only 5 properties starting out. Because later on down the road, if you want to use that cash or that equity that you've built over the years, you can use those essentially with a HELOC, compile those all up in the HELOC to then fund your next deal. Now, this first step would help you out with speed and efficiency when you're first starting out. When starting out, you really don't know what best questions to ask for your property management company. But that's why I'm here to share with you that there are great property management softwares out there that you can actually do it yourself. They can conduct accounting, business operations, screening tenants, you advertising your properties on Zillow and other websites. Below, I have a few of my top choices to learn more. This is the best way to structure your rental property business with little money out of your pocket. Now, if you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below. I would like to see what your thoughts are. Until next video, peace.